I'm going to show you how to start your YouTube channel during the COVID-19 epidemic so that you can reach your audience in this critical time. I've created a YouTube channel that helps me reach thousands of people every single day. And I want to show you how you can do the same, even if your country decides that you have to go on lockdown and you can't leave your home. This doesn't mean you can't create videos and put them out there and reach people all over the world. I want to show you how you can start your own YouTube channel during the COVID-19 epidemic in a quick and easy step-by-step tutorial. Most people will just tell you how to do it. In this video, I want to start a YouTube channel with you. I want to take you through the step-by-step process so you can see how I create a YouTube channel, what steps I take, and how I set it up ready for success. Having a YouTube channel will allow you to reach thousands of people every single day. Even if you're under lockdown like we are here in South Africa, you can still create videos. You can still put them on YouTube and you can still reach people all over the world. This is the amazing power and leverage that an online business like a YouTube channel can give you. So I don't want any more excuses. Follow me in this video step by step all the way to the end. And by the end of this video, you'll have a YouTube channel set up and ready for success so you can start making money online. Let's not waste another second and get right into it. Before we create the YouTube channel, we have to have a Gmail account in order to create a YouTube channel. So if you don't have a Gmail account, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a new one. If you have one already, you can skip this step and just go on to the next step. Once you're on google.com, head over to the top right and we're going to click on Gmail. And we're going to go create an account because we want to do a new account. So you can enter your first name, your last name, and then you can choose a username. Now this is normally the brand name that we've chosen. Sometimes it won't be available, so you might need to add a little bit of variation. So we're going to jump on and try and do that now. Let's see if Adobe Creators Tribe is available. Okay, Adobe Creators Tribe is available. Awesome. They're gonna ask you to enter your phone number, a recovery email address, and your birth date. They're going to ask if you want to verify your phone number. I suggest verifying the phone number right now. It's going to make the processes in the future a lot easier. If you don't want to, you can skip this step. Then Google's going to ask you if you want to be involved in submitting data to them. You can, if you're happy, you can go yes, I'm in. We normally skip this step. And then scroll down to the bottom of the privacy terms and click I agree. And now we have a new Gmail account set up and ready. Now we can head over to youtube.com and create our YouTube channel. Once you're on youtube.com, if you head over to the top right, you'll see that your channel icon should just be a letter for now, unless you've already uploaded a profile picture. You can click on that and go create a channel. Your creator journey begins. Click on get started. Now you can use your personal name or you can use a custom name if you want to do a brand. So we're going to say use a custom name. Then you can add your channel name. Now we're going to do Adobe Creators Tribe. And then click the box to say I understand I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, and click create. Nice work, your YouTube channel has now been created. If you think you've already created a YouTube channel, then one way to check is by commenting on this video down below. If you comment and the comment is accepted by YouTube, that means you've already created a channel. So you don't have to go through this step. If you try and comment and your comment doesn't go through, YouTube will then ask you to create a channel. So this is another way for you to check if you've created a channel and it has gone through, to just comment on this video. If the comment's accepted, then you do have a YouTube channel and it is active. So we're going to jump back inside and upload a profile picture. Click on the camera here and choose a photo that you want to upload as your profile picture. So we like to have a personal picture. You can put your brand logo here if you'd like to. What we found in the past is that people connect with people. So it works a lot better when you're first growing your channel to actually have a picture of yourself. Even if it's a brand channel, it's going to help people connect with you, see you as another human being, and they're more likely to subscribe in the beginning. And then we can add a channel description. So explaining what your channel is about. Now make sure when you are writing your description about your channel that you let people know how often you're going to be releasing videos and what days you release videos. This will make people more likely to subscribe because they know you're going to create content on a consistent basis. Then I want you to add links to your site. So if you don't have a website yet, then you don't need to add a link. I want to add a link to my DM with Carl website. We haven't created a website yet for this. So you can paste your URL to your website here, and then you can add your different profiles. So all of ours are DM with Carl. And it's really important to share your website and your social media here, because when your audience wants to grow with you, they want to connect with you on different platforms, then they can see straight away from your YouTube channel homepage, they can link to your social media and start following you. And then you can click on save and continue. Now your YouTube channel is created. The last thing I want to do is add a channel banner for you. And that's if you go into customize channel, click on customize channel, and it's going to allow you to add some channel art. Now your channel art is really, really important when you're first starting out, because a lot of people are going to watch one of your videos, then click on your channel and have a look at what your channel is about. So your YouTube channel banner is the best opportunity that you have for creating a first impression with a potential subscriber. So make sure that you put a lot of effort into creating your channel banner. I want to show you how to use a free tool called canva.com to quickly and easily create your first channel banner, so you have something up there for now. You can come back later and spend some time making it look perfect and pretty and choosing the perfect photograph and the perfect font to meet your brand requirements. But for now, I just want to show you how to quickly use one of Canva's great templates to create a channel banner. Let's jump back inside the laptop. Inside of canva.com, I want you to type in YouTube, and you'll see YouTube channel art comes up. Now it's really nice. These templates are set up and ready, perfectly designed for your YouTube channel. Now go through the templates and just choose something quick and easy and simple that works for you, that you can use for your YouTube channel. So here's a cool one. We're going to use this, and Canva is really simple. So you just click in here and you can edit it straight away. And make sure you are putting in when you are releasing videos. So we're going to release new videos every Monday and Wednesday. If your text goes too big, you can resize it so it fits. There we go. And we can change this little image by adding a new icon. So let's try the camera icon. That's quite nice. Now on canva.com, some of the pictures or images or icons that you want to use are part of the premium package. Let's just stay with the free one for now. If you want to upgrade later when you're putting time in, when your channel's making money, then you can upgrade later. For now, let's just use the free one and get a basic channel banner up and running. That'll do for now. We can just change the background color. That'll work. And then you can download your channel banner. I would download it as a PNG. It's probably the best format, highest resolution, best quality. And then let's head back into your YouTube channel and we can upload the channel banner. Click on Add Channel Art and it's going to say select from your computer. Go to our downloads and upload the channel banner that we have just created. And then you'll see what it looks like on desktop, on TV, and on mobile. Now it needs to look good on all three versions here. A lot of people are going to be on their mobile, but some people will view your channel on their computer, laptop, or on their TV. Now the TV is a lot bigger, so you need to make sure that your channel banner still looks good, even if someone's looking at it on a TV. If you want to, you can adjust the crop. If you use the template from Canva, you won't need to adjust your crop. It'll work perfectly and you can click select. And you can see how quickly and easily we managed to create a great looking channel banner. It's not the best in the world, but it is up and running and we have something to show people while our channel is getting started. You'll see on the right here, there's our website, link to our website, and you can change this text if you'd like to, and the links to our 3 social media pages. The next thing I want you to do is within your Creator Studio, I want you to edit which country you're from and add some keywords to your channel. So let's head into the Creator Studio. And on the bottom left-hand side, click on Settings. Then I want you to head to Channel, and under Basic Info, I want you to enter the keywords for your channel and the country. So our keywords are going to be Adobe, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Lightroom. And then if you make a mistake, you can click in here and edit each tag if you want to, and comma to add each tag. Now you don't need to add too many tags here, but this is to let YouTube know what your channel is about, what kind of videos you're going to create, and helps them rank specific videos once you start creating them. And then select the country. We're in South Africa. And then we can head back to your channel and you can see you now have a YouTube channel created. If you want to check that you've created it properly, then make sure you leave a comment down below. If your comment gets added to this video, then it means you have created your YouTube channel correctly. If you can't comment, it's going to prompt you to create your YouTube channel, and then you can follow the steps in this video. So at the end of this video, I'm going to leave you with 2 videos right here that I think you should watch that are going to help you building your influence online, creating a life of freedom, and building the business that you need during this COVID-19 lockdown. I hope all of you are staying safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below so we can get in touch. Good luck with your new YouTube channel, and I can't wait to see you change your life with the leverage that you have through your new YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.